Hey there, welcome back to Smallhouse Studio. Today we have a special treat for you as we take you on a tour of this charming 4SXM minimalist home. Let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at the exterior. The house features a striking red galvalume roof and elegant white smoke-colored walls. As you can see, the main entrance boasts a wide sliding glass door framed with beautiful wooden accents. On both sides of the door, you'll notice antique-style wall lights that added a touch of vintage charm. Some parts of the exterior are adorned with exposed bricks for that rustic feel. The front porch is adorned with brown wooden flooring, and the foundation is built using natural river stones, giving it a unique, natural look. And for those of you who are into the technical details, we've included 3D plans and floor plans with precise measurements so you can get a better sense of the layout. Now let's step inside. Upon entering, you'll find yourself in the cozy living room. It features a lovely rattan sofa with white fabric cushions placed on a soft gray and white carpet. The floor is adorned with elegant blue and white granite tiles. There's a widescreen TV for entertainment and tasteful artwork on the wall. To add a touch of sophistication, we've included a small coffee table and a vase of fresh flowers. Moving on, the kitchen seamlessly blends with the dining area. The wooden dining table is complemented by 2 chairs facing each other. The kitchen cabinets boast a wood-textured design, and the countertop is made of marbled granite. You'll find a built-in 2-burner gas stove and a stainless steel sink. There are overhead cabinets for storing dinnerware and a spacious cabinet for all your cooking essentials. Adjacent to the kitchen, there's a charming hand-washing sink area. It comes with a mirror and warm yellow lighting and a wooden hanger for towels. A wooden partition separates the sink area from the kitchen, adding to the overall aesthetics. Now let's move on to the bedroom. It's a snug space featuring a queen-sized bed and a wardrobe for your clothing storage needs. Natural light floods in through the window, allowing you to wake up to a beautiful view every morning. Last but not least, let's check out the bathroom. The walls are adorned with a stylish combination of black and white ceramic tiles. It's equipped with a comfortable sit-down toilet and a shower area with a glass partition to separate the wet and dry zones. For proper ventilation, there's an exhaust fan installed. And that's it, folks. We hope you enjoyed this tour of our 4M6M Minimalist Smallhouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing Smallhouse inspiration right here on Smallhouse Studio. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.